So guys, welcome back to another episode of our weekly market analysis, where we come on the chart to analyze what you have in the crypto market and look at potential trading opportunities for the week. So this is another uh, video, and if you enjoy the content, if you like the content, make sure to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Also like the video and click on the notification bell so that you get to see my content immediately I post them. So let's get right into the content. So today we'll start from Bitcoin as usual. And what I have on Bitcoin, I remember last week Monday I dropped the last week video and I was projecting a long, but just few hours after that the market went against us and we lost that trade. So but this week we would be looking at this Bitcoin market, and I can see that this is a weekly chart. This weekly candle right here is bullish. Is bullish, even though it has a long way to the upside, but then it's bullish, and we have a lot of liquidity around this place. So I'm going to switch to the lower time frame so that you can see that clearly and do a proper analysis of that. So let's go to the 4 hour. So looking at this 4 hour candle, you would see that last week Bitcoin, 2nd August. So this was last week. Bitcoin came back to this place and gave us a tweezer bottom. And you know, when you talk of candlestick patterns, tweezer bottom is more of a candlestick that gives you a bullish movement. So when market gives this tweezer bottom around this area of demand, this is an area of demand. BTC gave this tweezer around this area of demand last week, and it gave a bullish movement up till 30k and reversed. So now Bitcoin has come back to another area of demand, another area of support rather. But I'll still be doing is to look for a buy opportunity, because Bitcoin seems to uh, be going to give more opportunity to buy, and also there are some liquidity above this area. You can see this is a previous resistance where a lot of people have shorted for. So there are a lot of liquidities above this area. So I'm still projecting that Bitcoin is still going to go long, clear this liquidity, and also apart from the liquidity, we can see that there is a fair value gap here. There is a fair value gap here from, let me just mark it out, from somewhere around here to this place. So just above the liquidity, there are a lot of gaps that need to be cleared above that area of resistance. So I'm still projecting that Bitcoin is going to go long. So I might be longing Bitcoin after the daily close. If Bitcoin today closed bullish after today, I might be taking a long, or I might just wait and let Bitcoin come back to this area of demand before I long again. So my scenario for longing Bitcoin is either wait for a bullish close, a bullish daily market close. If the market closed today as a bullish candle, I'll be looking for an opportunity to long on a 30 minutes or 1 hour. Or if the market comes back to this place, I might be willing to long from this area of demand. So let's look at 30 minutes or 1 hour and see if we can see any other thing that can give us. Okay, all right. So there seems to be a clear indication that the market is still going to long from this way, because this candle is so strong. It pushed the market down and the market came out bullish. So if the market comes back to this place, and give a bullish sign at the end of the day, I'm just going to be longing and targeting these highs. So that is going to be my scenario for buying Bitcoin for this week. So let's look at the market coming back to this place at the end of the day and giving us a bullish daily close, a very strong bullish daily close. Or if that doesn't happen, the market might just still come down a little bit and we'll buy from there. So that's going to be my scenario for Bitcoin for this week. If you are able to catch any of the trade, maybe from this place or even from this area, then just let me know in the comment section. And if there is anything about this episode or this weekly analysis that you would like me to improve on or to add, let me know in the comment section as well. So let's quickly look at Ethereum. Let's quickly look at Ethereum real quick. So last week I was projecting a long, was it last week? No, really, this was not last week. So last week I was looking at buying Ethereum because all my signals for last week were buy signals. So this was the market was there last week. Oh, right, it was last week Monday. Just last week, I projected a long on Ethereum, right? I projected a long on Ethereum, but I think the market broke this zone and cleared liquidity before the market started moving. So then the market has created another zone. The market has created another zone around here. So we'll be looking to long Ethereum too from this zone after the daily close. If the daily close is bullish, just like I said on Bitcoin, we'll be taking a long at that zone, or we'll wait for the market to come back to this zone to give us our entry. So our entry is either going to be around here if we have a bullish daily close or a bullish confirmation during the day, and also, or maybe we'll come back to this place where we have a demand zone. So it's either of the two for Ethereum as well. So my bias on Ethereum for this week is going to be long as well. So let's look at ADA real quick. Let's look at ADA real quick. So last week, it wasn't last week. I was trying to like long ADA a few days ago. I couldn't get a good entry for it. So I think ADA has come to my entry. ADA has come to my entry, and I'm willing to long, even though the market is in a downtrend. The market has been in a downtrend for a long time, came back to this place, hold this zone, went up, came back and hold it up, came back and broke it and went up again. So if this place holds again, then this might just be the beginning of a bullish trend. It might not be a long trend, but at least maybe a move back to this area of value before we know what happens next. So if ADA could give a bullish candle at this area, then we might be longing it, targeting this place as our first target, and also this area as our second target and overall target. So if you have a bullish confirmation on ADA before the end of the day, or maybe a bullish daily close, even though the few candles we've had today are bearish, but then you can't tell what's going to happen before the end of the day. So if you have a bullish daily close, you might just be taking a long on ADA, and we'll be targeting this place for you. 5 weeks to reward ratio trade. So if you got some value from this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and put down a comment section in the comment section below. Put down a comment for me in the comment section below, and I will see you next week.